So here's something different to do when you're bored with COVID-19. Carolyn's going to shave my head. She's never done this before, so we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. So are you getting ready for this?
Yeah, I gotta get the extension cord.
This ought to be interesting.
It'll be very interesting.
Can't be too bad. My mom and dad used to do it when I was a kid. They used to just shave it completely bald.
Yeah, but I've never done this before.
I think you do a good job.
This is a new experience. Look, this is dangerous.
A number 4 on the side and 7 on top. That's all it needs.
Okay, we'll try.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, start at the hairline on side of head and cut up towards the middle of your head.
Okay, go for it.
We'll try.
Watch his hair fall off everywhere. You ready?
Ooh.
See? Not so bad. That wind's blowing the hair everywhere.
Ooh, it's going everywhere.
Yeah, long hair. All right, we'll check in after you get it cut some more.
Okay.
All right, so there's the first swag at it. Trying with the number 4 on the sides. You're gonna go 5 and then something else, right?
5 and 6.
Okay.
Now we've got the number 6 on the top. We'll see how this turns out.
So far, so good. It's getting less and less like Kim Jong-un.
Well, you're looking better. We might just have to shave the whole thing. By the time I'm done, I don't know.
You'll be fine. All right.
What do you think?
Yeah, it looks good. Well, that's a COVID-19 haircut. Saved money. Didn't have to go near anybody. That looks really good. You did a good job.
Thank you.
I'm gonna have to have you do it instead of going and paying $25 to have them do it.
Yes.
Good job, dear. Thank you.